Okay, this is a Goodman Sear tool, a Goodman 4-ton condenser. This compressor being used for about a year and died. Compressor short circuited and inside burned out. So when we opened it, we realized the potential cause for compressor burning up could be this two sensor. This is a liquid line sensor, measures the temperature for liquid line. This bigger one, you see the clamp, this is smaller clamp, this is a bigger clamp. Supposed to go to the suction line is suction temperature sensor. Okay, whoever in the manufacturer, in the factory, is just clamp on over here. So this will cause this system have a short cycling because this temperature is about 40 to 60 degrees when it run. This one is like 90 some degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So this sensor at high temperature, it will keep cutting off in and out when the system to restart the system. And then this compressor had in 1 year's time frame, in and out, compressor on and off too frequently. Maybe that's the reason compressor burned out. So this bigger one is supposed to go to the suction line. The smaller one is a liquid line sensor. This is a factory assembly error. It shouldn't be. It's a quality control problem. Okay. Unfortunately, this customer had 1 year experience with this system just because it's one simple mistake.